When the walls are rough, you need a fastener that's extra tough. VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme Tape. It's especially crafted for the outdoors and for a super strong hold. For signs, for tiles, for coat racks, for putting it up and for keeping it in place. It's made from plastic and that allows it to do a lot of things. The injection moulding process is designed for more hooks and more aggressive holding power. And that gives us more ability to hold heavy things. VELCRO brand Heavy Duty, Extreme and Industrial fasteners come in wider tape sizes. With the extra surface area comes even more holding power. Because it's plastic, it's perfect for outdoors. And while VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme was originally designed for outdoor rough surfaces, we've also created a thinner, low-profile heavy-duty application for flush mounting in homes and offices. The choice is yours.
Are we ready for our quick-fire question and answer round? Okay, let's begin! How much weight can VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme fasteners hold?
1 pound per square inch of fastener.
Correct! Can VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme tape be used on bricks and rough surfaces?
VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme fasteners is best for rough surfaces.
Correct! Will severe heat and cold temperatures affect VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme fasteners?
VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme fasteners work in 0 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, -17 to 60 degrees Celsius.
Correct! How do I remove VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme fasteners from my walls safely and effectively?
Or use an adhesive remover package, preferably citrus-based. But make sure to read the instructions because some products are not recommended for certain surfaces like drywall and unfinished wood.
What a finish! And that's our time for today, folks! VELCRO brand Heavy Duty Extreme range specifications. For more information regarding VELCRO brand products, specifications and questions, visit velcro.com.